Hello and welcome to today's video on which visa categories permit you to carry out supplementary employment. Supplementary employment is a work that you do in a job that is not the job for which you are being sponsored. So it's very attractive to migrants coming to the UK as they can earn more money and develop new skill outside of their main employment. So we'll first explain the rules around supplementary employment before examining the main visa categories that allow you to do such work. Before we dwell into today's topic, a quick intro. I am Yash Dubal, Managing Director at AY&J Solicitors. We are an SRA regulated legal 500 firm with over a decade in UK immigration, winning multiple awards, serving 4,000 plus clients and having 1,200 positive reviews. We are here to help you. So first thing first, let's talk about supplementary employment rules. Before we look at the visa categories that permit supplementary job, let's discuss the latest changes to the immigration rules and what they mean for supplementary employment. So under the new rules, what is permitted as a supplementary employment? So the job must be listed in Appendix Immigration Salary List, which has replaced the shortage occupation list, or it be in the same profession and at the same professional level as the job for which the certificate of sponsorship for you was assigned, or the worker must be a skilled worker with a job in an eligible SOC 2020 occupation code, and the listed table are 1, 2 and 3 of the skill occupations. For all visa holders, you are only permitted to spend a maximum of 20 hours per week within the supplementary employment, and this has to be outside of your normal working hours for your primary job. And you must also continue to work in your original employment for which you are sponsored. Your employer will conduct a right to work check to ensure you are permitted to carry out supplementary employment before they hire you. Next agenda, let's focus on skilled worker visa. So skilled worker visa holders can carry out supplementary employment, as you know now, and they have benefited greatly from the latest changes, as now they can work in any other eligible SOC code, whereas before it had to be in the same occupation code or shortage occupation list. What it means, skilled workers now have much greater freedom to pursue extra employment in any field they wish. Now the third one is the Intra-Company or the Global Business Mobility Visa. Those who were granted on Intra-Company visa, which was replaced by the GBM, Global Business Mobility Visa, are permitted to carry out supplementary employment. This is either through currently holding an intra-company visa or through a transitional arrangement by having a continuously held permission since then as a senior or specialist worker. They must follow the normal rules of supplementary employment, as I mentioned earlier in this video. However, GBM visa holders who were granted permission solely on the new route cannot undertake supplementary employment. Now let's look into the other visa categories. So other, which is less common visa categories through which you can do supplementary employment, that can include Tier 2 Minister of Religion, international sports person, creative worker, government authorized exchange and international agreement category, but only if the worker has been granted as an employee of an overseas government or international organization, and of course the religious worker visa category. The normal rules also apply to these visa categories, such as the 20 hours maximum per week under supplementary employment. So in today's video we have explained the rules surrounding supplementary employment and shown you which visa categories permit you to hold an extra job in addition to the one which you are being sponsored. Can I ask you all a favor? If you enjoy this content, could you please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel? It helps us massively and I appreciate you all. Do you need help with your UK immigration matter? If yes, please complete a short inquiry form which you will find in the description section below now. Thank you for watching. Do you need help? If yes, contact us on this number which is on your screen, or fill a short inquiry form which is in the description section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more content on life in the UK test.